So today I'll be showing you two fun crafts. One is going to be a mini greenhouse and one are going to be hot glue stencils. So basically all you will really need is, for the mini greenhouse, an empty container that has holes in it. If it has holes in the bottom, do not worry. You'll also need some soil from your backyard or anywhere. Just get some soil. And you'll need seeds. I'm not really going to plant the seeds right now. I'm just going to make it as a show project. So the next thing you'll need is felt. Scrap felt, any types of felt, just needs to fit your container. And don't worry if it looks ugly. It's all going to be covered by soil. The last thing you'll need is hot glue. Hot glue is for both of the projects. So the first project is going to be the mini greenhouse. If you have a label on top of it, just don't worry. You can, if you want to, you can just patch it up with a felt piece. So you can just get your container, and then take a felt piece, and you might also want to have some scissors, an extra hot glue stick just in case. And yeah, so you see how mine is a little fat? So I can cut it thin and then cut it like that instead. And this felt is for catching the water, and so the soil doesn't go through the bottom. So snip it off. You snip it off. Check if it fits the size. If it doesn't, it's okay. If it does, it's perfect. If you have the extra scrap, if you still have some more, you can put that there and take that. You might just want to place it at first to see if you're missing anything, if it's too big, too small, because then after you glue it, it's glued. So mine is pretty much placed. I like it. So I'm just gonna take it off and glue it. So I'll start with the biggest piece and I'll hot glue. Glue, glue, glue. Put this to the side. Get this back on here. Glue it. So just keep gluing until you think it's a decent amount. And you can stick it on. I'm kind of running low right now, so I'm probably just going to add one more later in a sec. So I'm just going to stick it on. It'll be perfecto. Take this, scoot it. So it turns out I didn't add enough, so I'm just going to lift up the little corners, pour some hot glue in there, and stick it back down. And this one's a big one. So here we are, and yeah. So now I'll glue the smaller parts. Let's see, this one or something? No. This one, yes. I'll glue it in there. Okay, so glue it here. And you probably want to be careful. You don't want to burn your fingers. So glue that down, and the little space, glue that too, like that, and stick it down. So that's this step. If you have openings here, you can also glue those down. You can use the front of your hot glue gun just to push it down, so like this, boing. And there we are. So I'm just gonna go to this part now. This top, I don't really like it. And I have a bunch of tiny green pieces. So I'll just cut a small piece out for sticking them on top. So just cut off this part. make it a little thinner, I guess. And I guess I'll just even this out. Now, stick that on, I guess. And if you have a little extra pieces, don't worry. You can just cut a thin strip out and stick it on. So here we are. But try to stick that piece on first. I didn't do that for the bottom because it's just gonna have covered soil on it, so I didn't really do that. But since this is not gonna have anything on it, we'd probably want to do it first. And then we can snip it off later, I guess. And glue the other part on. You can't really see the hot glue that much, but don't worry, it's there. Because my hot glue, it's clear. So my hot glue just ran out. Okay. There we go. There. So that's probably enough. So that's how much hot glue I put. And I'm just gonna stick it on. So that's how I'm gonna have it. If you want, you could write something on it, like greenhouse or something, mini greenhouse. That's the second step. Now the third step is probably just wanna get your box open. Might be a little hard. So open your box and pour in your soil. If you don't have enough, you might want to go get some more. I didn't really estimate. I just estimated with my head and I was wrong. So later I will put more in, but since this is just for you guys, this is that much. You probably want to get soil until like here or something. So, and I got many rocks because this is like rocky soil. So try to get less rocks. But that is it for this project. If you have seeds, I don't have them right now. So you probably just want to do it before you pour in all of the soil so it reaches the top. So this is the mini greenhouse. The plants, once they grow a little bit, they will breathe through these holes. I hope you like this craft. Here is the next project. So as you know, the next project is going to be hot glue stencils. So how to make hot glue stencils? Easy, just need a hot glue gun and something as a base mat. So you can draw any design or shape, just make sure it's kind of thick, so you can trace it. I'm planning to go with a heart. And it's half a heart right now, but so just continue on. I'm not very good with heart, so do not mind if it's terrible. And I really hope you will enjoy this craft. So this is how far mine is so far. So I'm planning just to keep it like that and let it dry. Meantime, I will make one more. I'm planning to make a unicorn horn. If I'm not that good, maybe you're better. I'm not that good at drawing. I just like being creative. And this is totally made up. I made it up. If you see something else like this, I've written this in the description of my channel too, but if you see something else like my crafts, just know that I did not copy. I like to come out with my own ideas. So if you see something else like this, just don't come at me saying, oh, you copied. Just know I didn't copy. I might not have seen that video or something, but I did not copy. So these take a little while to dry, so you can just wait for some time, and then you can wait for them to dry, just draw with hot glue. And then if you want to, you can color the hot glue later once it's dry, like These take a little longer. It's starting to harden up a little. And if you get burned, don't worry. It's not that hard. When I was younger, I got burned like sometimes, and I put bandages on all of my fingers. So and now I don't feel scared anymore. It's just so easy for me. I don't get burned. I get hurt. I get burned for a little bit, but then it settles down. So don't be afraid to get burned. But of course, still be careful. So they're about good enough to dry, I guess, especially the heart because it was my first one. So you can start peeling off your hot glue. Just try to be careful. Like if it rips, then you won't have a stencil anymore. So my heart is ripped because I put a little big of a glob. So try not to make the same mistake I did. So yeah, my heart is basically a fail. So I guess I'll hope for the best on my unicorn horn. So here we are. My unicorn horn has ripped a little bit, but that's fine. So yeah. Maybe because I had a rubbery base, that's why it didn't work. But maybe if you use paper, the paper will stick, but it's going to be easier to dry. Trust me. I have tried that paper, but I thought I could try something new. So those are the crafts. Well, one of the crafts at least worked. I don't know how you like this video, but at least these dot things worked. They're shiny. They're like pearls. Well, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. And once you have, click the bell and you will get notified when a new video comes out. Thank you. Crafter out.